Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to do a quick Dollar Tree haul because it was very quick. My kids wanted to get back and swim and I had to ride my bike. So we really rushed right through there, but we are fixing some cracks and some spots on our driveway, then resealing it. Needed a degreaser, so I bought one of the degreasers that goes in the hose, but I think it's refillable, and I bought some degreaser at the Dollar Tree. So I bought the one at Home Depot. It was about $8 for the degreaser in that kind of unit that hooks onto a garden hose. So I normally do not buy any type of cleaning products or chemicals from the Dollar Tree because I'm very particular about what's used in my home. But since this is going to be used outside and I was having to buy a product from the Home Depot anyway to accomplish what we needed, and it's like a one-time thing, or every few years, I decided to see if this awesome would work as well, because I've heard some people talk very well about it. So this is a concentrated cleaner degreaser spot remover, and it says it has no acid, ammonia, bleach. So that's good. So I picked up 4 bottles of that. So I've bought these before. You heard me talk about them. I told you I was looking for staining pads and I couldn't find them. And so I thought these do work good. So I've used them because, let me show you. This one I have opened. If you open them up, you'll see that they're in 4 squares, right? So I just cut them. And then they're great for wiping on stain or other types of finishes, like a wipe-on poly. They work perfectly for that. They're cheap enough because you get 2 in here for $1, so you can just throw them right away when you're done. No cleanup. I'm also using them for other tasks, cleaning. And I picked up 3 packs of those. And those are the Clean Life multi-purpose cleaning cloths. Okay, and then I picked up just some Scrub Buddies 2-pack sponges, non-scratch, and I picked up 2 squeegees. I need one for my shower door, and one I'm going to see how it works for the driveway. Of course, we have the huge squeegee for putting on the sealer, but we have some cracks to fill. And I bought, the little putty knives, but I thought maybe, just maybe, this might work well to just put the crack filler in. I don't know, we'll see. $1, it was worth a try. I also purchased one of the Scrub Buddies non-scratch scourers. It has the little handles, so I picked that up. And I picked up the 3-pack Magic Eraser substitutes. You had to look, and if the 3 packs were hidden, the 2 packs were out. So check for the 3 packs in your area. Then this was a new item that I haven't seen. These are the Jot stencils. So they had a lot of them. They had family, they had something else, but I like the Home Sweet Home. And I like the Live, Laugh, and Love. And I'm going to show you something that I got at Walmart and that another YouTuber turned me on to. I don't remember her name right now, but I'll link it in the comments. And it's a really neat idea. I did buy some wood sign board, which was 2x5 or 2x4, whatever I bought at Home Depot. And I always laugh when a lot of these do-it-yourselfers say how cheap something is, and then when you go to the Home Depot, the wood alone for that project is like, if you're trying to buy, let's just say 2x10 or 2x8, whatever, if you're trying to make some certain sign or something, you can be spending anywhere from $13 to $20 on the wood alone. So yeah, you can make it for pennies if you have that wood around, but if you don't and you have to go buy it at the Home Depot, it's going to cost you a lot more. But I can show you a very easy way that you can make signs and things like that, box signs, for truly under $2. with a real wood box, and I'll show you that. It's amazing. So now, got these Brillo scrub brushes, and I got one for inside and I got one for cleaning out the cracks in the driveway. When you wash and you clean out the cracks, then you just want to go in and sweep them to make sure that, I figured, okay, we have a whisk broom and other things, but maybe that will work well too. So I did pick those up. And then I just picked up some athletic socks. These are for myself. I know they say men's. I ride my bike a lot, and these seem to be made out of that material that wicks away the sweat. So I picked up a pack of those, and there's 2 packs of those. So that's 6 pairs. Can't go wrong even if you wear them once. And I picked up 1 pair of the Crews. I also picked up two bottles for putting my own cleaners in here, my own mixtures. Okay, and let's see what else I got. This is the cleaner that was like $7.98 at Home Depot, but it's refillable. I'm going to try to refill it with those other things, but this does a lot of driveway anyway. We'll see. Okay, and then this was the other degreaser. This is the Totally Awesome, LA's Totally Awesome Orange All-Purpose Degreaser Spot Remover. I bought 2 packs of this. This is the refill. And then I also bought the Oxygen Orange Base Cleaner, chlorine free. So I bought that as well. And I think I showed you this before, but Dollar Tree has the 1 pound packs of Now and Later for $1. And it's funny because when you take a pack out, they're marked for resale, 25 cents a piece. So it's funny because there's so many, and there's a mystery flavor in there. They do have splits in there too. You can't go wrong. I did buy 8 bags of these because I give them to my older kids too. My daughter lives in New York City, and my son has his own place, so my older son, so I give them to them when they come, and they're like thrilled. So, oh, I also got, I think these are new. A lot of times you can't find stuff like this. They have 2 of these in there. I know they have different styles. I'm probably going to use this in my bathroom. I may paint it or tone it down. It has an antique look. I don't know. I'm going to see. I'm going to bring it up and see. But I figured $1, I could not go wrong, even if I put it on the back of a door or whatever. But it might look nice with a paint finish. I might do it in a teal. I might do it in a white and antique it. I don't know. I might leave it in the gold but tone it down a little bit. I don't know. But I'm going to play around with that. And then these were a new decal I found. I've had butterflies before, but they were like a silver hologram kind. These are blue. Thought these were pretty for some type of, lifting up a little bit, some type of project. So I picked those up. And oh, I picked up the buckets, you know, the big plastic buckets they have in the cleaning section, not the ones that have the wire handle, but they have a rope handle. Picked up 2 of those, and those are a great buy. Living on the lake, you can use them for all types of things, like if the kids get minnows or if they want to play around in the water with them, they're great. And they're also great for, I want to do a tie-dye project, and I figured individual dye buckets, those would be good. They're good for so many things. I picked them up in the past, and they seem a higher quality than the other ones that they have there with the pour lid. So I picked up 2 of those. I'm trying to think. Oh, and there were some Hot Wheel cars and things that we picked up. This is one of them. This is one of them, but my kids already took them out. And I want you, I know I'm probably missing a few things, but I think I've got it mostly under control there. I want you to follow my Walmart haul. It's a small haul, but I'm going to show you how to make those box signs for under $2 with what I'm going to show you, okay? So I'm going to link that video in these comments, so be sure to look out for that one as well. I'm really excited to share it with you, okay? Thanks for watching, guys. I know I'm probably missing stuff, but like I said, that's the bulk of it. I like to get it done right away because everybody needs stuff that we bought. I think some like the dish scrub brushes. But anyway, that you've got the gist of it. And thanks for watching, and please watch the Walmart.